Good evening, Parkway families. Welcome to the 26-27 edition of the Open House. My name is Eric O'Neill, and I'm the proud principal here at Parkway Middle School of the Arts. Our theme this year is No Limits, Just Levels, and that is a commitment to us accelerating and raising our game. We need 10 points to get to a B, 10 points away from the win. We call it 10 for the win. Tonight's open house, the purpose of tonight is for you to really get to know your students' teachers, to navigate the campus, to ask your questions and get some course information so that you can partner with your teacher so your child is successful. We have multiple opportunities for you to partner with our school. So we have our PTO, our parent-teacher organization, and we have our school advisory council, our SAC committee. So I really encourage you guys to come out, join us, partner with us so your child has access to everything that other schools have access to, but we need your partnership in order for that to happen. All right, Parkway will lead the way with pride, passion, and purpose, but that can only happen with your support. So guys, enjoy your night. I'll see you around campus. Thank you.
Greetings, parents. I am Akimo Charles, the intern principal over 6th grade, elementary, Cambridge Performing Arts. I want to take this moment to welcome you to our 26-27 school year. I look forward to working with each and every one of you, and I hope you have an amazing year.
Good evening. I'm Miss Jones, assistant principal over 8th grade. Welcome to Parkway Middle School of the Arts, where pride, passion, and purpose is our motto. I would love to welcome you. I am super excited about this year. We're going to have an amazing year. We're going to work hard, and we are going to do 10 for the win as we strive towards an A school. Have an amazing evening.
Good evening, Parkway family. I am Tamika Smith, your intern principal for Parkway Middle School. I am also the 7th grade assistant principal. Thank you for joining us tonight, and we welcome you to a phenomenal school year ahead. I am also excited to have some of our babies back again. Those are my 7th grade students. But also to our new families, we welcome you this school year as we strive for 10 for the win. We look forward to working productively with our new families, our old families, and anyone else that would like to join us. Thank you, and again, welcome. Please don't hesitate to reach out to any of us with any questions or concerns. Welcome home.
Good evening, parents. Welcome to the 26-27 school year. I'm Mr. Rashid Gray, Behavior Support and Athletic Director. Looking forward to working with all parents this school year.
Good evening, Parkway family. Welcome to our 26-27 open house. I am Miss Sunshine, the science coach.
And I am Miss Clark, the math coach.
And I am Miss Logan, everyone's favorite lit coach. And we are the
Triple Threat.
Here at Parkway, we believe in leading with pride,
Passion,
And purpose.
no limits,
Just levels.
and above all, 10 for the win.
Let's go, Cavaliers!
Hello, my name is Naomi Braff, and I am the Magnet Coordinator and Artistic Director over here at Parkway Middle School of the Arts. I also teach technical theater, and I am so excited for you guys to be here tonight. We cannot wait to share with you all the amazing things that we have in store here at Parkway, especially in our magnet programs, both in STEM and in our performing and visual arts programs. So take in the sights, take in the sounds, climb aboard the Cavalier Energy Bus. We cannot wait to show you what's in store, so you don't want to miss it.
Hello everyone, I'm Officer Scream with the Lauderhill Police Department. I've been with the Lauderhill Police Department for about 4 years. I've been the SRO here at Parkway Middle for approximately 3 years. I'm super excited every year to come here and spend time with our students, and you entrust us to protect and keep your students safe, and that's our goal here. So I want to say hello to everyone, and thank you for allowing your kids to come to Parkway.